Welcome back to the Bird Chef. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a stuffed bell pepper from scratch. Let's get started. Alright, first up we're going to turn on our fire, heat up our pan. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of peanut oil since this is a lean meat. Once that gets up to temperature, we're going to toss our meat in there. Alright, now that that's heated, we're going to go ahead and add our ground bison. And we're going to break it up so it doesn't stay too big. Alright, to that bison, we're going to add our diced onions and a 1/4 cup of celery. And we're going to cook those down until they're nice and tender. Alright, now that that's getting nice and brown, making sure our pieces aren't too big, we're ready to add our salt and pepper and a little bit of MSG. We got 1 cup of rice with a yellow grit mix. We have 2 Roma tomatoes diced up. And we have a 1/4 cup of ketchup. Gonna mix that nice and good so all those flavors get combined. Alright, now that that's all blended up nice and even, we're gonna turn off our heat. And we're gonna set it aside. Alright, now those bell peppers have been boiled for 5 minutes. We've drained them out. We've got them right here. They're nice and soft. We're gonna divide this mixture evenly amongst them. Alright, now we're going to prepare the sauce. We have 1/2 teaspoon of basil and 1 teaspoon of sugar. We're going to put that directly in the tomato sauce. And we're going to stir that up. Alright, now we're going to pour about 1/2 of that mixture across the bell peppers. And then those are going to go in the oven and bake at 350 for 30 minutes. Alright, and now we're going to add the rest of the sauce. And cover it with cheese. Now we're going to go bake it for another 5 minutes. And there we have our beautiful stuffed bell pepper, ready to cut up and serve. Doesn't that look beautiful? And there's our stuffed bell peppers. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our next video.